Hello, good evening right now for me. I am back today. Um, Today I wanted to give a little tour of my application as it is right now. I seem to have changed my phone by mistake. But yeah, okay. So here we are. This is our start screen. If I hit run, okay, we have errors. Oh, um, okay, this is a bit of an annoyance to deal with virtual machines. So we just do that, and it still refuses to respond. Okay, there we go. So just had to copy an updated version of this unit since it was missing a few things. So if we come back into our VM, here we have our start screen. This art here isn't mine. I didn't make this. It was made by my sister. If you're interested in her art, I'll give a link if you want to check out what she makes. So let's start by signing up. Call ourselves Momo. Why not? You know, those who know Momo know who Momo is. So let's give ourselves a password. So I've been doing a lot of work on everything in the background. Well, not in the background, but outside of videos. So come here, say create account. Okay, you have successfully been registered. Then we begin. So hello Momo, let's begin. So first we have this little screen here. Hello Momo, welcome to Good Bites. We are happy to have you. We're here to help you improve your nutritional health, so stick around. What to expect from here: you will be asked to enter your biological info, you will calculate your goal targets, you'll get a small welcoming tutorial to get you started. So let's begin by hitting continue. Okay, just had to move my microphone. When we hit continue, we get moved to the next section here. So now we're being prompted for our information. So let me classic 28. These numbers are gonna be a bit fabricated, but that's fine. Let's go 197 because he's pretty tall. Okay, so we take our full name, our age, our biological sex, our weight, our height, and then our activity level here. Say pretty active. Continue. Have a confirmation dialog here, and then we hit yes. Now here are our calculated goals, which are calculated using a formula that is shown right around. Where's that formula? The Krabby Patty formula. Okay, my seem to be having, wrong unit. No, it is this unit. Okay, yeah. So we calculate our protein by saying the current user's weight times 1.5 multiplied by our activity level. Our calories, we say, are 50%. Our carbohydrates are 50% of our total calories divided by 4. And then our fats are 30% of our total calories divided by 4. Let me ensure that our video is going nicely. Cool. Okay. And we calculate these values here. We calculate our total values here being 10 times our weight plus 6.25 times our height plus 5 times our age plus 5 for males and then minus 161 for females. So this is the it's the Mifflin something formula. I'll leave a link in the description explaining what it is. Well, to an article which explains what it is and how to use it if you want to use this formula on your own to calculate any nutrients. So then we get an overview of our goals based on our current values. You can always go back and then edit our details. Maybe we want to change something, but if not, we just hit continue. But if I say wanted to say pretty active, then my stuff would change. So say continue, and then are you sure you'd like to continue? You can modify your goals once you've reached the dashboard. So from here, once we hit yes, we will be greeted by a tutorial. So here's our tutorial here. We have a list of items in this tutorial, and we can navigate through them with buttons. This button enables itself upon entering, and for some reason it stays like that. So I will have to find somewhere around that, but that's fine. We have a little skip button here for anyone who wants to skip the tutorial, but of course I would recommend that you just go through it because it's really useful. So we have our eaten meal log, which shows all the foods we've eaten. We have this combo box, which shows detailed meal info. We have this dates picker, choosing any specific day. We can view our goals here, eat, and then eat different food items here. Hit next, then we have this menu where we can search for food items. Here's our searching button. We have our eat a food item where we select an item, meal type, and our portion size, and then we can eat an item. Here we can select a quantity of water to drink, and then we can drink that quantity. To make it a bit more visible, can resize the form. I have been working on centering these components, so keeping them in the exact center, being somewhere around here, so that they so that the layout is cohesive. I've realized that is a bit difficult in terms of VCL because VCL uses left and top position properties, which means that if you want to position something, you have to base it off of the size of the object. So if you want something to be, say, here, you have to say center minus the size of the object because it won't be centered. It will be off center. But then this beginning part of it will be in the center, but not the middle. And that's what I would have wanted. So that does make me consider whether I would rather go for FMX next time when creating an application like this. And I am planning on porting this app to Android. So I will definitely make that with FMX. So then we have this right here, our searching foods screen. So we can enter a food item, query it, we can add the item to the database, and we can enter our own foods. Hit next. We can show detailed information on our goals. Here's our goal overview. Hit next, and then can view our goal targets, get our detailed goal information, edit our goals if we want, and of course navigating our thing there. So then here we are. Might be better to just make this smaller. Your journey begins here. From here, you'll head to the dashboard and it all begins. Remember to eat well and live well. Happy to have you here. Then we hit let's get eating. Then we get sent to our dashboard. Now I've shown this off several times, shown off how this entire program, this screen specifically works, but I can show it in this video. So we choose an item. Let's say I want an ice cream. Say I had an ice cream as a snack. I don't exactly know how much, but let's just say 60 grams. Hit eat food, and then show updated progress. And now our progress updates. Now, of course, ice cream is very small, so and this quantity is probably tiny, so there's not much change. And here we have our information on that ice cream that we ate. It resets and then it goes back to our log. Now if we come here, let's actually choose something filling, like it's right here. Say we had it for lunch, 90 grams of that for lunch. You can see the impact that it's had on our goals here. And any food item we eat will do the same thing. So if I ate some bread, say ate some bread with walnuts for brunch, hit eat food, show updated progress, and then here we are, information on this little bread that we ate. Then say I wanted to add water, 300 milliliters, there we go, 300 milliliters. And then of course we can also add items. Okay, I'm missing something. Okay, we can search for foods. So if we come here, say we wanted something we don't have, let's take there's something that someone a friend of mine pointed out, but man, it's a South African food item. So okay, caps is being weird, but that's fine. Okay, that's weird. So our procedure here is not doing what it should. Must have letters. Okay, so this function is returning false 120. So seems like there's something that I missed somewhere. So we get our allowed characters. Okay, so okay, so let's look at every single test that we do here. Okay, okay, contain that. Then okay, first we check our presence. Do we actually send the string in? Yes. Okay. Then we do a length check. Ah, okay, I see. So it seems like I don't actually complete this check. So we say if our length is smaller than the minimum, or okay, then I can invert this check instead. Okay, let's try this again. Yeah, there we go. So it seems like I did not do a check properly. There we go. Get biltong, get our spicy biltong, add. Okay, it seems like I might have allowed something to happen there. Okay, so did this item exist before? No.